Hey everyone, this is the Mini-Byte Math for Welding, and we are taking a look at some perimeter and area formulas, calculations, all of that. First, some definitions. Perimeter, that's the length around a figure. So if I have some shape, the length all the way around it, that's the perimeter. For example, if this were to measure, let's say, 10 inches, 8 inches, 9 inches, 3 inches, 5 inches. That perimeter would be equal to, let's see here, 5 plus 10 plus 8 plus 9 plus 3, 15 plus 17 plus 3. That's 35 inches. This is linear inches. For this rectangle, we can simply add all the way around, say that this is 12, this is 28, and get a perimeter equal to 12 plus 28 plus 12 plus 28, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 sides added up. This is 40, this is 40. We get a perimeter of 80 inches. We could also use a formula to do this. We could also say that the perimeter is 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. So that's 2 times 12 plus 2 times 28. That's 24 plus 56. Still 80 inches. So if we can, we just add up all around. Sometimes we have a formula. Use whichever is convenient. Let's find what the perimeter, we'll do area next, of a rectangle that is 70 inches wide and 85 inches long. I'm just going to use the formula for this one. Perimeter is 2 times 70 plus 2 times 85. That's 140 plus 170, which is 310 linear inches. Just plain inches, not inches squared or anything like that. Inches. Let's find the perimeter of this figure. We've got a big old L-shaped rectangular thing, and to find its perimeter, let's just add up 40 plus 80 plus 20 plus 30 plus 20 plus 50. 40 plus 80 plus 20 plus 30 plus 20 plus 50. Yep, got them all. Meters. So that's 120 plus 50 plus 70. 50, 70. Got them all. 120 plus 120. That perimeter is 240 meters. Now, because this thing is simple, it curves in, then goes back out like this. We can actually just go twice 80 plus twice 40. This right here, 50 plus 30 is 80. And then this right here, 20 plus 20 is going to be 40. So even though it's in two parts, this vertical side right here on the right is still 40 meters. So our perimeter would be 40 times 2 plus 80 times 2, 80 plus 160, 240. And that's true whenever you have, I'm going to call it a simple shape like this, where it doesn't double back on itself. Area. For a rectangle, you might have been figuring out the area in your head as I was talking about. We had that first question, we were talking about area. Area, we're almost always using a formula. And for a rectangle, it's the product of the rectangle's width and length. For us, let's take a look here. We could have an example right here, that same rectangle as before, where we've got 28 and 12 inches. So its area is going to be 28 times 12. Pardon me, I'm sorry. 28 times 12. That's 56 plus 8, 2, 6, 3, 3. 336 inches squared. For this one, we're going to do 70 times 85. 5,950 inches squared. What about this shape that we had before? To figure out its area, I'm going to split it into two rectangles. This one right here is 30 by 20. That's 600 meters squared. This one right here is 40 times 50, right? Because it goes from here to here, from here to here, area 2. 40 times 50, that's 20 with 2 zeros, 2,000 meters squared. So what's our total area? 2,000 plus 600, 2,600 meters squared. That's it for this video. We'll have another one on perimeter and areas with some other formulas. See you then.